Yeah, I like this open concept of this mall. So basically it gives the opportunity for the wind to blow through it a little bit. Yeah, it gives a different atmosphere than when you have it all air conditioned. It's also a bit warmer. Good afternoon. I'm here at Payatai Road. And this is next to the MBK Shopping Mall, which many of you will know for sure. And just in front of the Siamscape. So MBK actually built a kind of walk here. By the way, there in the back you have the Mahanakhon, so you have a nice clear view from here to Sathorn. So this is the, let's say, the MBK Skywalk. So from here you can walk straight towards the Siam One Square. So the Siamscape is an office building that's part of the Chulalongkorn University. So there's going to be study halls in there and offices and retail. It's 25 floors high. Yeah, so if you walk straight here, then you can walk all the way to the National Stadium BTS. And here to the left you have the MBK Mall, but I'm gonna go here to show you a little bit more of the Siamscape. And this is a nice little skywalk. This is actually air conditioned as well, which is very nice. I enjoy that. So there in front you have the Siam One Square, the Siam Discovery Mall, Siam Pibat office building, and the Bangkok Art and Cultural Center, the BACC. So this is a small shopping mall called A La Art, but I'm gonna go out here so I can show you the front of the Siamscape building. Yeah, so these archways that you have here almost makes it look like it's a cathedral, right? So this here in front is the A La Art Mall. Yeah, this area really changed a lot since they have been building this building here. What I mentioned, this is all part of the Chulalongkorn University. It's still under construction, but it looks like they're finishing up a lot. I noticed that they are starting to furnish several businesses. I think there's going to be an Ayutthaya bank in there. It's 2 o'clock. Very great weather. I keep saying it. Yeah, this is all part of the university, the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So if you walk through here, you get to the Siam Square, where you have the Siam BTS Station and the Siam Paragon Mall. Yeah, I made a video a couple of months ago in the evening here, and they have really a lot of light now, and it looks really stunning. But I have to be honest that in the day it looks pretty cool as well. So there you have the Siam BTS Station. Another construction here called the Future Con. So here you have the Siam Square One Mall. And the center point, Siam Square. You see a lot of Japanese shops in here as well. Yeah, and if you cross through here, you get to the Siam BTS Station. So I think how. Yeah, I like this open concept of this mall. So basically it gives the opportunity for the wind to blow through it a little bit. And yeah, it gives a different atmosphere than when you have it all air conditioned. It's also a bit warmer. So there's a Liverpool shop here for the fans. Normally I prefer to film in the other direction, because then I can walk down. So here we are at the Siam BTS Station and the Siam Paragon Mall. So here we're getting to Siam Paragon. Would you believe that it's scorching hot in here now? Oh my god, it's really hot. And I've been here for a while, so I know what hot is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a comment, you can like, and see you guys in my next video.